Hey, what's up? This is Nick from zappycode.com. So something cool I just added to my site, and I found it hard to find the answer, maybe the same for you, is getting a title to show up for various Django posts when you want it, but then also just having a default when you don't want it. So the basic setup that I have, which I feel like a lot of other Django projects have, is I have a base.html. So let me go to my site-wide templates. I have this base.html. And this is for my Zappy Code website. All this is open source. You can see it on my GitHub there. Um, but basically, I have a lot of pages here where I just want to go to, like, for example, the home page. It should just say Zappy Code. If I go to courses or whatever, I still just want it to say Zappy Code. But the problem was I had some blog posts here that I wanted to see the title of that blog post up there. And so basically what I've done is if I come back to my tutorial or my blog post page, what I've done is I'm passing the title that I want to send through with a block. So I'm calling it block title. And here I'm getting the page title, and then I'm adding this little line and then saying Zappy Code after. Um, but this could be anything. It could be whatever you want. But this is me passing in a specific title. And what I've done in the base.html is I've provided that block, but inside of a block, I didn't know this before, you can put a essentially default value so that if a title block is not provided, it'll just use the Zappy code that's here. So anyways, thought you might find that helpful. Again, look, you see I've got like a blog post here. It's using that title. This thing is cool, right? Then I go to another page where I haven't specified that, and it just totally works. To me, the big savings here is that you don't have to, on every individual detailed page, add a block title. You can only just use it on the ones that you want.